In this video, we will take a look on how to add a Kubernetes cluster from your local kubeconfigs. So by default, when you're using Lens, all of the clusters are loaded automatically from the default location of your kubeconfig. But if you want to add other clusters, you can use the add kubeconfigs options from here, and you can either add a kubeconfig by pasting, or you can add a kubeconfig from the file system. So now let's create a cluster that saves the config in a separate file. And now that this is ready, we can just copy the kubeconfig, go to Lens, click on Add Kubeconfigs, and use the first option, the Add Kubeconfig by pasting. I will just paste the kubeconfig in here. So the cluster name is kind copy cluster. I'll just click on Add Clusters, and now we can see it here. Similarly, what we can do is we can actually just click on Add Kubeconfig from File System, go to where we have saved the kubeconfig, and click on Sync. And again, we can see the cluster right here.